Yeah. I want you to kasa anyhow.
Asante and a bebo amotimi ekuru dino Shannon so head office. I did also Tema community 2 Asante roofing sheet. I was safe bond car park. Takrade and so Asante ewo Efiekuma number 9 Fidelity Bank no and Chenwa Takwa layout market circle ombe Fiasema Rural Bank. Akachi so Asante
only baby a Fiasema only maybe a fias man.
Minimum.
Oh, then there's no problem. So only maybe a fias man. They're saying I catch him so here.
I'm more friends saying I catch in crowd. I'm more I catch police station.
Yeah, the okay kaka. Hey, also one home to you. March here now here. Mamenya ntemna.
Omanhene Kwabena Asante at saying una de Ghana ko saying brand DBS Industries Adaroma. Oh yeah.
Akwa we bad there was DBS color link and I say for no na workers obi ahụ ye
obi ahụ ye
well ma menchi asempa okay be okay menchi asempa na
Kwabena adenti na ye won hwehwe o show yi so
wow
na abribi abeba bia no you want to dictate the pace you want to call the shots no
Mr.
please me ba Kwabena Asante me ba nka senwi as I say oba nyame ye bia no nyabotre mama ye wie
no problem
na mama wakwa ba na de oba ye no na wewrem no Kwabena please that tete mama nka senwie
hey sorry
anya ne di kan ni na ma ye nhwe han na ma hwe wa at least if I complain allow me please
wait a minute
me mabedwam
no Mr.
na me meye nia debi Kwabena me timi mabedwam on Adom TV na me meye nia me pe
de wo ka no sa na tie ye koyanim no sa mfom so de sa sinto no nya de ma ye bi
me hia sam no kra wo ye wo ekosi se no obi cross the shot
no unti dem
why Kwabena
ready
why
and the akodu IMF you sa nyoma bi se ya o ye you se ya
Siri Saba
and we bi se ya o so can you pen him na can and we bi se ya what can I tell you? Okay, NDC for the no more IMF no more coin na wakoko bi e na abo nyina so na ye anyunya de oh no me say how and no be say na ba ya na fe nyina de ko bi o bi kwaje enti mati monsieur I take a cue monsieur there we go
me nya say am ni je pa me nya na bra ho say ba me a me ni age
se me pesa jo for the table you me gidi na me basa sa me so be say
basa de o ye aya popo ani no
well, your money me and Sapen have quickly mount to Mushu Papa Moyeso. Mamen Kai phone for say Adom 106.3. Unya CJ na unya Sempa where we will breakfast no. Komba sumu from all kinds of in Yania who don't they for health, one the amount, na they for education, one the amount, na they for construction, they for transport, they for fuel. BBI boxed up in a breakfast. Monkoso na munti na monkoso na monso mo piaga what is our din even though Pierre graphic mo change of name
and crowd no the honka I'm not between ready
well I'm so over from Thursday and Friday na IMF from common by na didn't come on
about Friday
I've listened to especially the MPP in an attempt to explain the circumstances are under which they call IMF quite different from the NDC. To start with, there shouldn't be any attempt to explain. There should be an attempt to rather get us out of it. The attempt to explain. Now, John Mama no said no him say IMF no Ghana is a member. No him. Now be before him as of that time. Rana say we are a member of the IMF. No Omunimana. No Omunim say membership na you join no. So edu baby na say ohwe na osika semu to tuane no maybe
you can always go back.
It me call mo because you go back.
You can always go back.
Yes, fatan to you go back. Now MP before person say Omunimana. Is that what they are trying to explain to us? So the circumstances under which they are going, it's a different matter for conversation. But the issue of Susukruwano is the matter now. That measurement now, na John Muhammad use a bra woman no. Ye kwa wi hia be se ye ko na ye koje emwa ananso ase ana akwankyere bi free IMF no. This present administration demonize the IMF. In fact, the man over at Accra or that's as we speak now. I'm surprised.
How many times haven't we called for?
No, I'm saying that he has been one person continuously. I think that you have a problem in this country in terms of how the management of this country is going on. Can't we run away from Kenya? In fact, they have fair pay. Because we have a president as we speak. As we speak, Adwa Safo is still at post. And because you are manpaying near be on the prime minister on Tias about to walk up back to share before.
There's a tweet.
No, the man can't tweet. We see, before the tweets, we had an independent mind to talk.
No, but
I'm saying that whether tweet or no tweet, as we speak now, the president should sack the finance minister or the finance minister should resign. And a big deal.
Last week we boss but
you're a journalist, you're a public officer. So I didn't carry. Please. Now for finance minister, to the extent that even as of the time, no, you take a decision to go to IMF. He was not even a part of the meeting. Deputy to Bianco. This is the finance minister we're dealing with too. Who calls
he was not part of the meeting
and dares the bluff even of the president? What is this? This is the finance minister we are dealing with who just until recently and I'm baby a catch say IMF over my dead body. This is the finance
we are
minister.
A sovereign nation.
This is the finance who is still at post. This is the finance minister and I'm IMF in paying for baby free Ghana Koma resign. The style of the Jumano is the most wisest and sensible finance minister in this. Now President Kwabena double endorsement. This is the finance minister. Omoko EMT Crown Kobi. Almost omunya part of the cabinet. When you break like message allow. The Ekoswano. And ya Tim mind yebu how. The Ekoswan and ya Tim Sam Yebe how. It's not to infer that Ufria Chima, but and ya Tim Sam Yebewa. You don't know what is really happening in this country. Who your prime minister? Who your cabinet member? No now to walk up parks. Why? No go so church remu. Second is equal when you because about 144 countries.
treaty.
But who told you that? Who told you that is the wish of the NDC? Say Ghana and go from say try and say no want to take you over. Say even if Ghana is or accept the NDC.
Yeah,
that's not the reality.
Yeah,
the reality is that they've been untruthful to us, especially under this finance minister. They've deceived a lot of us, especially under this finance minister. It's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. It's not a matter of white and Bible quotations. He better go to the church or honorable as full-time pastor. Honorable as a full-time pastor. Because finance minister, every 3 seconds, quotation. Did you listen to the Pentecost chairman? Did you listen to the Pentecost chairman? And yet on this matter, but generality of Ghana, the kind of people we need to come and lead us. We wake up today, 3 seconds to even put your information minister, the president, the finance minister. Almost everybody is talking about IMF over our dead body. So what happened? You are coming to explain to me the circumstances that is taking Ghana to IMF. You cannot explain the same when the NDC was going to the IMF. They should better shut up. The more they attempt to explain, the more they get some of us extremely angry.
Yeah.
I think at this point, so finance minister resign. The president should do the usual. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ghanaians. The president should do the usual fellow
address the nation.
Address us that where we've gotten to. It's not healthy for us.
You think he should apologize to Ghanaians?
Well, it's not even a matter of apology. The president should speak to us. The president should speak to us. Because if we don't get to that point where Yebe will say, Obi Kataya, so we have a leader. Now, I just say free for all. The Obia pen Obia ya. And I still don't know why this Ken Oforiatta is still Ghana's finance minister. I don't know.
Come on, I think we should also be ready for the conditionalities.
Oh,
you
see, let's not even preach about those conditionalities. In the first place, our going to IMF in the crown, a buy or tissue Maya who could be more Bianco COVID and Ukraine. More Bianco we understand the impact of especially COVID. Even with COVID management in terms of funds, the consequences of joining a year can say IMF there. We all know already. Now my fiscal say with debt to GDP over 80%. Who my ankasa one kasa international credibility. Who could German solo cotton de crana yento. Who inflation kikako 30. And then I change much reading. You have failed. You have fallen short of the glory. So you better resign honorably and tell Ghanaians that this was not my expectation. The president should come and explain reasons for us going to that place. Oh my, ni packet to have been a peche to Casacromunti. Now, oh my own person, we said they are chim for mine. Why? What is this?
So fair acquire your man for these last 5 years. Obaye, for the first time in our country, yenya revenue from oil. Apart from say normal sources of revenue are one. Now she baby or man do say bra Ghana for air bre. Me the minim no crefo bi or war man mo betumi de say sin waka say ekoyi wo Ghana say. Time a year kase enkoyi wo hana. Amaya wo ye no bohye Côte d'Ivoire no nsa ne man. Etum pondendende. Eno ntumi kase bia bibia ba eye Africa now West Africa and yeah ubia ehu amani because I don't know next door to us mamu aba wo ho no no sika samo ahoden abamu ntino French Africa kofu demrika eko Côte d'Ivoire se kwa ko pedjuma ye wo na ye de no Ghana fu nyina ho kire wo Ghana fu ehu amani no nipa no offer o man at a certain level out nin na mamu no o man no ababedu baby e wo say the time bia me ko baby ameka me kan bio man sana me de me kasa bewie ya ye mobo wo Ghana etisika so o man nya ohia man na nam amamu a enkoyie ntino e kom de
question that you have to ask is how can global phenomena skip Côte d'Ivoire and all the surrounding countries and only attack Ghana? How does it happen?
Well, good morning to the International Monetary Fund. Yanumwa yedi etu anamon ako IMF. Kwasi?
Yes, yes.
Yanumwa yedi etu anamon
ako IMF.
Ako IMF ni say ye koya ya heden yaba. Ye koya heden
yaba.
IMF.
Enyuma yede kono no.
Say ye koya
yaba.
Yaba.